Alright guys, you guys know me as Betty Blue _ RT. Everybody's been asking me, hey, what's under the hood of this thing? I'll show you, man. I'm stock. Okay, well, I have a whooping supercharger and an O'Reilly intake. Tell you right now, there's no better feeling than when the FedEx man comes. New shoes for Betty Blue. YouTube, I went ahead and went with the Thompson ET Street Rs 305/45 R17. As you can see, Mickey's the way to go, you guys. Just remember, just look at that tread. Oh yeah. As you guys all know, these are Racestars. Additional parts inside. Went ahead and went with 17 by 9.5. Offset of 23.8, bolt pattern 5x115, and hub bore of 78. Finish, you already know, that gloss black, baby. Alright, just bear with me. First ever unboxing, so here we go. They're open. Doing this no mount, one hand, because why not? Ha, you guys thought. So I actually ended up getting these for basically a steal. If you guys want to know more information on where I got them and stuff like that, it's going to be down in the description. I actually got these off Instagram. They came with the lugs, two rear 17 by 9.5, and then two Mickey Thompson ET Street radials 305/45 17s. So literally, when I say this thing came with everything: valve stems, works, lugs, washers, and even the socket. So we're gonna go ahead and just take a look at those. Oh, what's that down there? What do we have here? Oh, well, hello. Now that is beautiful. Racestar Industries, you guys. Oh, doing some more digging. Actually found the Allen key and the screws, the screw on that Racestar Industries cover. This is definitely probably one of my favorite buys so far. Well, YouTube, I'm here at the hobby shop. It's kind of wet out. Here to put the Mickey Thompsons onto the Racestars. Like I said, it is wet outside, and yes, I'm on drag radios.
I gotta find a way, yeah. I ain't got no time to stress no more. I gotta find a way.